Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another interesting recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to prepare an interesting sweet recipe which is nothing but kele hashal or kelia hashal. This can also be prepared as a nevedyam on special occasions or even Krishna Janmashtami or Krishna Jayanti. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require is 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of thick coconut milk, 1/3 cup of grated jaggery, half cup of poha or flattened rice. While choosing the poha or flattened rice for this recipe, make sure to choose the thin or the flat poha. Firstly, to begin with, peel the outer skin of the banana and later chop them into small size pieces as shown in the video. Next, take a grater and grate the jaggery. The reason why we are doing this is it helps the jaggery to dissolve much faster than adding it in bigger chunks. Once your grated jaggery is ready, take a mixing bowl and into that pour 1 cup of thick coconut milk. To prepare the coconut milk, take a mixer jar and into that transfer 3 cup of freshly grated coconut and 3/4 cup of water. Now grind this into a fine paste. Later transfer this mixture into a muslin cloth and squeeze the coconut milk out of it. You can alternatively use canned coconut milk or even coconut milk powder. Next, into this add the grated jaggery and the elaichi or cardamom powder and give this a good mix. Next, into this add 3/4 portion of the finely chopped banana and give this a good mix. The rest of the finely chopped banana can be used later while serving. Now your delicious kelia hashal is ready. You can serve this immediately or you can even store this in the refrigerator and serve this chilled. If you're using the thick poha or the flattened rice, you can add at this stage and give this a good mix. This helps the poha to soak little bit of the hashal and make it soft. For serving the kelia hashal, take a plate or bowl and into that add the poha or flattened rice and top it with some finely chopped banana and pour the prepared hashal on top of it. If you wish to store this in the refrigerator and serve this later, make sure not to store this more than 1 day since we use fresh coconut milk into this and it tends to spoil. This recipe is a favorite among kids. You can even try this as a prasad or nevedyam during this Krishna Janmashtami or Krishna Jayanti, and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.